Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the current Family Manager account on the Ps4. This is required to make changes. Once signed in, go straight to Settings, right arrow Parental Controls / Family Management. Do this now. Make sure the console is online so account changes sync with PlayStation Network. You also need a different adult account on the console ready to be promoted. If you don't have one, create it and sign it in before continuing. This avoids being locked out. You'll now transfer or remove the Family Manager role. Navigate to Settings, right arrow Parental Controls / Family Management, right arrow Family Management, then pick the adult account you want to promote. Select Promote to Parent / Guardian or Make Family Manager, and follow on-screen confirmation. PlayStation may request the original manager's password or email verification. Once done, make sure the new manager signs in and checks family settings. This ensures permissions and purchases remain intact. If you're removing the only adult, create another first. Finally, remove the old Family Manager account or delete a user. Sign in as the new Family Manager, go to Settings, right arrow Login Settings, right arrow User Management, right arrow Delete User, pick the account and confirm. Backup saves first. If you encounter PSN block messages or verification loops, sign out, restart the console, then sign back in. This often clears session errors. If problems persist, use PlayStation account recovery steps or contact support, and make sure you kept backups for restored data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.